Hello everyone, this is Perfect Days here and welcome to my channel. My question today is, are you tired of celebrities? Today I want to give you an update about what's been going on with me. I want to talk about how quiet quitting has brought me contentment, how little things add up, and how I'm starting to think that I might have a YouTube addiction. Lately, I want to soften and slow down my life and move with ease and intention. If you came for the Miniso haul, I will leave a timestamp in the description box. About half a year ago, I made a video where I said I wanted to quiet quit my job. During that time, I also made a list of all the qualities I wanted in my ideal job. I briefly looked into other employment opportunities, and as time went on, I realized that my current job, depending on how I frame it, really is my ideal job. The autonomy, the creativity, the location, the environment, the compensation are all things that I appreciate. I came to this realization only after really letting out some steam of all the downsides. On the brink of really thinking I needed a permanent break, I realized I just needed a temporary break and a new perspective. Honestly, my ideal situation is that I'm just somehow independently wealthy. So aside from that, I think all jobs will have their ups and downs, and the acceptance of that being a part of life has given me peace. This day, I decide to go work out, and this is a hobby that keeps on giving. I have a good time, and I'm doing something great for my health. This is an example of something that is a good use of my time. I will talk about something that isn't a constructive use in a little bit. I've also been making small adjustments around my home. With the new season of spring, I swept the front porch and finally added this welcome mat I got from Target a while back. I also recently purchased a new shower curtain and hooks. My old curtain got pulled and ruined in the wash. These old hooks have rusted and make putting the curtain on and off a prickly disaster. Here I am steaming the folds out of the curtain. Overall, it kind of looks like the same as it did before, but better. I like it. The hobby that I'm currently uncertain about is YouTube, if you can call it a hobby. I am a small content creator, and if I could just stick to that, perhaps things would be okay. But I consume a lot of YouTube, more than I create, way more. Honestly, I think I'm addicted. I watch YouTube while I am eating, cleaning, relaxing, and before bed. And I know the content is, let's say, 80% of the time not helpful. It's distracting and sometimes disturbing. I really miss the days when YouTube was simple and there weren't so many celebrities. That's right, SELL-ebrities. Trying to sell me something, whether it's a product, a service, or a lifestyle. Also, YouTube has gotten so professional in some ways, I feel like I can't keep up. If you have watched my channel for a long time, you would know that I used to be addicted to purchasing luxury handbags. I defined addiction as having an urge, a strong urge to do something, knowing that overall it'll be detrimental to yourself. Something that occupies too much of your time. I feel like consuming YouTube is exactly that for me right now. The parasocial relationships with people who don't know I exist, I need to step back and figure out what to do. Since I want to create content, I fall into a trap of consuming content to know what's going on. If somehow I can find a balance with this hobby can still be okay. When I look back at all the clips of my day-to-day, I feel like there's a whole real life I can be living, not just online.
It's kind of like a sweeter sauce.
Take a step away.
It's so awesome. It's like, it's just
I need
goes to the feeling of like, but could we do that? Like that.
So the next part of my video is going to be a haul mostly from Miniso and a little bit from Sakoshi Mart. Lately, I've been wanting to pinkify my life, so everything I chose is in this soft rose ballerine color. I'll be making a big trip over the summer to Asia, and I bought some of these things to help me prepare for it. So here is my haul. First up, I got these two eyeshadow brushes. One for traveling and the other one to replace this Equal Tools one I've had for many years. I got this CoverGirl translucent powder that I use daily for my trip. This was actually from Walmart, but it fit the pink theme, so I put it in the basket. I got this Fox sleeping mask for the plane. I've never used a sleeping mask on the plane, but I wanted to try it because my flight's going to be 14 hours. I also picked up this cute pink lint roller because I ran out, but I won't be repurchasing this because the sheets are really hard to peel. So I bought this pink cherry blossoms pen from Sakoshi Mart just for funsies, totally unnecessary, but it makes me happy. I got these laundry bags. They are supposed to protect your clothes in the wash, but I'm going to use them for traveling to help organize my clothes. There were a lot of cute nail clipper sets at Miniso. I was tempted to get the Disney ones, but this one came with a sensible yet cute plain pink case that I think will be good for traveling. I only really needed the nail clippers. I'm not sure what the other tools do besides the file. Most likely, I will only keep what I need. I got this face mask from Sakoshi Mart. I'm so happy I got this travel utensil set. This design was the last one in the particular store I went to. It's so cute and I'm going to use it at work and maybe I'll take it with me when I travel too. This next item is the only outright overly cute thing I purchased. It's a My Melody comb and brush. If you watch my channel enough, you know that my favorite comb is this old man's parting comb that is in a black color. This pink one will go into my travel bag. I also wanted to show you my pretty new gratitude journal that I'm hoping to start up again. This was from the bookstore, not Miniso. Here, I'm just showing you how the pen looks cute with my notebook and my Louis Vuitton PM agenda. I also discovered I can cleanly pull off the label on my Blistex chapstick for a cleaner look. I got a nude bra from Victoria's Secret Pink, also for traveling. It's gonna go great with all the summer dresses I plan to wear. Here, I'm cutting part of the packaging from the comb to see if I can make a cute bookmark. It didn't really work out, but here's what it looks like. I also got this cute measuring tape from the dollar store. I feel like I'm always having to measure things. And finally, here's a My Melody notebook from Miniso. This one isn't mine, but I just wanted to show you how ridiculously kawaii it is. In a YouTube community survey, I asked you guys if I should stick with the tried and true, the classic Louis Vuitton key pouch, or go with something new. The Louis Vuitton Recto Verso. Did I listen? Find out in my next video, where I'm planning to talk about Prada, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and where I now stand with luxury purchases. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Until next time, I wish you all perfect days.